Hello guys, I'm going to show you, my name's Darren by the way. I'm going to show you how to install ELS 7, version 7. Yeah, this is Bandicam by the way. First of all, you need LCPDFR. What I do is I make a shortcut, makes it easier to get my GTA 4 directory. Yeah, let's go. I'm currently in a clan right now. It's called Chicago Police Department. I'll leave a link to the description. Oops, sorry. Yeah, I'll leave a link. Check it out. Alright, first thing you want to do is go to LCPDFR. Downloads. You go to popular downloads. I'll leave a link to the description for LCPDFR. You know what? Scratch that. Let's type in Google. Go to Google. Just type in ELS 7 LCPDFR. Alright. You go to this one, it's LCPDFR. It made directory version 8. So I guess we won't be using LCPDFR. We'll be using GTA 4 police mods. From GTA police mods. I'm gonna bring you to this site. Yeah, I know ELS 8 is out. I know. But my computer can't run ELS 8 for some reason. Go to this site. Click download. And it should see. You need WinRAR for this. So download. Move this down real quick. Alright, there we go. Alright, you have to have WinRAR. You want to do it, it'll show like this. Drag up. Boom. Alright, so here are all your files. You don't need these three. I mean, it's just a picture showing, you know, the ELS, what it looks like. Alright, what you want to do is you want to open your GTA 4 directory. I'll do it through here just to show you guys. Computer system program files times 86. Scroll down to Steam. I have it through Steam. Go to Steam apps. Common. Grand Theft Auto 4. GTA 4. Now, this is your directory. What you want to do is you want to control click these. Once you click those, you want to drag them in. I already done it. I have all the settings set, you know, make them brighter and all that. I'll do another video on how to do all that. Once you do that, you should be set. I mean, you can probably go into ELS. This is how you can, you know, modify them. Flash delay makes the ELS go faster. I have them on 1, so it makes them really fast. I want to make sure all these are on. You know, FBI, ambulance, fire truck. They have to be on. Yeah. Well, I think that's it for that. You know, kind of like how I did on this video, my first video. Thanks for watching.